PPCmate is a self-serve programmatic DSP designed for performance marketers. Whether you're driving traffic, generating leads, or maximizing conversions, our platform does the heavy lifting. Multi-format ads, pop under, push, native, display, and video. Advanced targeting, geo, device, OS, browser, connection type, and more. Optimized for performance, built-in CTR and CPA tracking tools. Real-time reporting. Track impressions, clicks, and conversions instantly. Step 1. Sign up and fund your account. Register at PPCmate.com and deposit funds via credit card, PayPal, bank transfer, or crypto, with 0 transaction fees. Step 2. Create an order and set budget. Define your campaign budget, bid strategy, and scheduling settings. Step 3. Target the right audience. Refine targeting by location, device type, traffic sources, and more. Step 4. Upload your creatives and launch. Add banners, videos, or native ads, apply tracking macros, and go live. Why advertisers choose PPCmate? Live performance tracking. Adjust bids, budgets, and creatives anytime. Global reach. Access millions of premium traffic sources. Fraud protection. Partnered with top anti-fraud providers for clean, high-quality traffic. Low minimum deposit. Start with just $25. Full control and flexibility. Pause, edit, and optimize your campaigns anytime. Sign up today at ppcmate.com and launch your first campaign in minutes.